Now we are going to solve the fourth problem in laws of motion chapter. Here two planets are mentioned. The mass of the first planet is m1, its radius is r1, and its acceleration due to gravity to be taken as g1. Second planet's mass is m2, its radius to be taken as r2, and the respective acceleration due to gravity value is g2. Here the ratio of the mass of two planets are given. The ratio of the mass of the first planet and second planet is taken as, it is given as 2:3. Therefore it can be written as m1 divided by m2 is equal to 2/3. In that format we can write. And the radius, its ratio is also given. The ratio of the radius of the both the two planets are given. Their values are given as r1 is to r2. r1 is to r2 value is also given. The value is r1 is to r2 value is 4:7. Its value can be written as r1 divided by r2 can be written as 4/7. In that format you write it. Later you can easily substitute. What is asked in the problem? You are asked to calculate the ratio of the acceleration due to gravity of both the two planets are asked. You are asked to calculate g1 is to g2. This ratio to be found out. To calculate g1 is to g2, the more fundamental formula is, the fundamental formula to be used is, this formula must be used. Gr square is equal to gm. This formula can be used. Are you clear? So here this expression is very important to calculate any factor. What is g? Acceleration due to gravity. R is the radius of the planet, g is gravitational constant, and m is called as mass of the planet. This formula that could be written is clear as per our convenience. What is required? The ratio of the acceleration due to gravity is required. Therefore, write it in this form, in the format of acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to gm divided by r square. So in that format, first you write it. This formula that could be written in two forms. First you write it in the form of g1. g1 is equal to g, here capital M need not be written. Here mass of the first planet can be taken as small m1 divided by its radius can be taken as r1 square. So this is the formula which is written for the first planet. Are you clear? Now I am going to write the same expression for second planet. g2 is equal to g m2 divided by r2 square. In that format you write. Here that gravitational constant is constant for all the planets. Are you clear? Now what is required? g1 is to g2, that is g1 divided by g2 to be calculated. g1 divided by g2. So the ratio to be found out. Substitute the formula, okay, in the formula. gm1 divided by r1 square whole divided by gm2 divided by r2 square. In that format I have written. Here which one is the common factor? The common factor is g. Therefore this g and this g can be, both can be cancelled. So after cancellation, how the formula will be altered? m1 divided by r1 square, this one can be reciprocated into r2 square divided by m2. In that format we can write. How this formula can be further altered? m1 divided by m2, this two factor can be written as a single factor into r2 square divided by r1 square is there. That one can be written as r2 divided by r1 whole square. In that format we can write. Are you clear? So finally what happened? Substitute the ratio. Already I have written m1 divided by m2 is nothing but 2/3. Are you clear? Instead of m1 divided by m2, I have substituted 2/3. Are you clear? r2 divided by r1. There r1 divided by r2 is there. That is nothing but 4/7. But here r2 divided by r1 is there. Are you clear? So what we have to do? 4/7 to be reciprocated. Therefore 7/4 whole square must be written. Are you clear? I hope you are following me. Are you clear? 2/3 into 7/4. Now you take square. 2/3 into 7 square is nothing but 49 divided by 4 square is 16. Are you clear? This 2 can be cancelled, you will get 8. Are you clear? You will get 8. So therefore, the final answer will be 49 divided by 24. 49 divided by 24. So here no space, that's why I am writing. So if you multiply this two factor, is it clear? You will get 24. So 49 divided by 24 is the final answer. So finally you have calculated G1 divided by G2 value is, I will write it here. G1 divided by G2 value is how much? 49 divided by 24. Now this one could be written in ratio form. How it can be written? G1 is to G2. Simply write the respective value. You clear? 49 is to how much? 24. So like this we have to write. Understood? So look at the value of G. You clear? G1 is to G2 value is how much? 49 is to 24. So like that we have to write. I hope you have understood the answer. Are you clear? So this is the method of finding the answer. Understood?